Hey everyone, it's Anne here, and today we're talking about something that a lot of people are struggling with right now. Student loans. Yeah, those pesky things. Listen, I get it. Adulting is hard, and those loan payments can feel like a mountain you just can't climb. What if you can't afford to pay them back? What if the bills are piling up and you feel stuck? Trust me, I've been there. You're scrolling through Instagram seeing everyone else's perfect lives, and you're thinking, how are they doing this, and I'm stuck with this giant bill? Don't panic, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do, who to call, and how to get help without hurting your future. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. First things first, let's do a little detective work. It's time to figure out what kind of loan you actually have. Do you have a federal student loan, a provincial loan, or maybe even a private loan from a bank? Don't worry, this isn't as scary as it sounds. Most students in Canada get their loans from the National Student Loan Service Centre. You know, the NSLSC. You've probably seen their name pop up in your inbox a time or two. Now some of you might also have a provincial loan on top of that federal one, like, if you're in Ontario, you might have OSAP. It all depends on where you studied and what kind of funding you received. And hey, a few of you might even have a private loan from a bank. Those are the ones that often come with trickier terms. So we'll tackle those a bit later. But why is knowing this so important, Anne? Well, knowing who you owe makes all the difference, because different programs offer different kinds of help. Think of it like this. You wouldn't go to a sushi restaurant for a burger, right? You gotta go to the right place to get what you need. So before you do anything else, log into your NSLSC account or check your loan documents. If you see your province's name on there, head over to their student aid program website too. Got it? Awesome. Let's move on to the good stuff, the help you can get. Okay, let's get real. Life happens. Sometimes those loan payments sneak up on you. So what if you're already late on payments? Maybe you lost your job, had an unexpected expense, or maybe those avocado toasts really did add up. Just kidding. Kind of. Here's the good news. If your loan is still in good standing, meaning it hasn't gone to collections yet, we'll deal with that later. There's help. And it's way easier than you think. Step 1. Pick up your phone, I know, scary, right? And call the NSLSC at 1-888-8-8-15-4514. Don't worry, they're used to this, and they won't bite. You can also go to canada.ca and look for the Repayment Assistance Plan. You'll see it called RAP everywhere. And let me tell you, RAP is a lifesaver. Seriously, if you're low income or unemployed, you could qualify for 0 monthly payments. Yes, 0. Zilch. Nada. And guess what? In some cases, they might even cover the interest while you're on RAP. I know it almost sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's real, and it's there to help you get back on your feet. So take a deep breath, make that call, and let's get you some financial peace of mind. Let's break down this magical thing called RAP a bit more, shall we? RAP stands for Repayment Assistance Plan, and it's basically your financial guardian angel, especially made for situations just like yours. Here's how it works. You apply online through the NSLSC website. Easy peasy. They'll ask about your income, your family size, if it applies to you, and your loan balance. Basically, they want to understand your financial situation so they can help you out. If you qualify, your monthly payment gets a serious haircut, sometimes all the way down to 0. And the best part? Using RAP doesn't hurt your credit score at all. It's like a little financial vacation, without the baggage of credit damage. Oh, and did I mention you can reapply every 6 months? Yep, that's right. So if you're broke, between jobs, or just can't manage those loan payments right now, RAP is your first line of defense. Pro tip, don't wait until you're drowning in late notices and feeling totally overwhelmed. Apply for RAP as soon as you know you're struggling. the sooner the better. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, collections. I know it sounds scary, but we're going to get through this together. What if your loan has already gone to collections? Maybe you missed a few too many emails or life just threw you a curveball you weren't expecting. It happens. If your federal loan has defaulted, it might be handled by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, now. Yep, the tax people. And yes, they can take your tax refund or GST credit to repay the loan. I know it's not ideal, but we're gonna fix this. Here's what to do. Take a deep breath and call CRA's Debt Management Office. I know it can be intimidating talking to them, but trust me, ignoring it will only make things worse. They might be willing to set up a more manageable repayment plan that actually works with your budget. And if it's your provincial loan that's in collections, no worries. Contact your province's loan department. Each province has its own rules and processes, but the important thing is to be proactive. Remember, knowledge is power, and being proactive helps protect your credit score in the long run. Now, for those of you who took out a student line of credit or a loan from a bank, like RBC or Scotiabank, things work a little differently. Banks aren't part of the whole rappy party. They like to play by their own rules, typical, right? But don't worry, you still have options. The key here is communication. Call your bank and explain your situation. Be honest and straightforward about what you can and can't afford. Trust me, they've heard it all before. Ask for a lower interest rate or even a temporary payment pause. You never know unless you ask, right? You might even qualify for interest-only payments for a while, or they might be willing to restructure your loan to make it more manageable. The important thing is to be proactive and communicative. Don't ghost the bank. They're much more likely to work with you if you're honest and upfront about your situation. Listen, I know this whole student loan thing can feel super overwhelming. You're juggling a million things, trying to make ends meet, and those loan payments can feel like a constant weight on your shoulders. But here's the thing, you don't have to do this alone. There are tons of amazing resources and support systems out there, just waiting to help you navigate this whole crazy world of student loans. First up, we've got Credit Counseling Canada. They offer free financial advice and budgeting help, and they're absolute rock stars at what they do. Give them a call at 1-866-398-5999 or check out their website, creditcounselingcanada.ca. Don't forget about your provincial student aid offices. Whether it's OSAP, Alberta Student Aid, or any other province, they have tons of resources and can guide you in the right direction. And hey, don't underestimate the power of local nonprofits or financial advisors. Many of them offer free debt consultations and can help you create a personalized plan to tackle your student loans. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. You've got this. Alright, let's wrap this up. So what have we learned today if you're struggling with student loans in Canada? First things first, know what type of loan you have. Is it federal, provincial, or private? This will determine your options. If you're struggling to make payments, apply for RAP. And the sooner the better. Don't wait until you're drowning in debt. Don't ignore those collection calls. I know they're scary, but dealing with them head on is always the best approach. Remember, you're not alone. Use those free resources and financial help services. There are people out there who genuinely want to help you succeed. You've got this. The system might seem tough, but you're tougher, and there are always options to keep your head above water. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, take care of yourself. And remember, you're not alone in this. We're all in this together.